AutoDS versus Dropship.io, which is better? Links to both platforms are in the description below. Let's get right into the comparison. AutoDS is a comprehensive dropshipping automation platform designed to handle every aspect of your business, from product research and importing to price monitoring and automated order fulfillment. It supports multiple e-commerce platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Wix, making it a versatile tool for dropshippers who manage multiple stores. One of AutoDS's key features is its advanced analytics, which provides deep insights into your store's performance, helping you optimize for better results. AutoDS is especially well suited for those looking to scale their operations efficiently, thanks to its robust automation capabilities. Dropship.io, on the other hand, focuses heavily on product research and market analysis. It's a tool designed to help dropshippers identify winning products and niches by analyzing trends, competitor data, and market demand. Dropship.io provides detailed insights into what's selling well, which suppliers to work with, and how to position your products for maximum profitability. While it doesn't offer the full automation suite that AutoDS does, it excels in giving you the information needed to make data-driven decisions in your dropshipping business. So, who are these platforms for? AutoDS is ideal for dropshippers who want a one-stop solution that covers all aspects of their business, especially those who are looking to scale. If you're focused on automating your processes and maximizing efficiency across multiple platforms, AutoDS is the better choice. It's particularly beneficial for those who want to save time on manual tasks and use advanced analytics to drive growth. Dropship.io, on the other hand, is best for dropshippers who are research-focused and want to gain a competitive edge by identifying the best products and niches. It's a powerful tool for those who prefer to dig deep into market data before deciding what to sell. If you're in the early stages of your dropshipping journey, or you're looking to refine your product offerings based on solid data, Dropship.io is a valuable resource. In terms of pricing, AutoDS charges based on the level of automation and the number of orders you process, which is great for businesses that are scaling. Dropship.io typically offers subscription plans based on the level of market research tools you need, making it more suitable for those who prioritize product selection over automation. Final verdict. If you're looking for a full-fledged dropshipping automation tool that helps you manage and scale your business efficiently, AutoDS is the better option. If your main focus is on finding winning products and staying ahead of market trends, Dropship.io is the tool you should consider.